Hello, my name is Miwako. I'm here to share delicious whole food plant-based recipes to improve the health of ourselves and loved ones. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a whole wheat sandwich bread with everything bagel spice mix. Add water, oatmeal, and sugar in a high-powered blender. Blend for about 30 seconds. Combine all the ingredients into a stand mixer bowl and stir. Using a hook attachment, knead for around 5 minutes until the dough begins to become smooth and supple. If kneading by hand, transfer the dough to a lightly greased or floured surface and knead it for 6 to 8 minutes. Remove the dough from a bowl and transfer to a lightly greased container. Cover loosely with lightly greased plastic wrap for the first rise. I like using a pot since it is easier to measure how much the dough expanded. Let it rest for 1 to 2 hours, depending on the temperature of your kitchen. Allow the dough to rise until close to doubled. How do you know if it's ready? If it rebounds slowly and leaves a small indent, it is ready. If it rebounds right away, it needs to rest more. Transfer it to a lightly greased or floured work surface and gently deflate it. I like using a baking pan with a silicone mat for easy cleaning. Shape the dough into an 8-inch log. Sprinkle everything bagel spice mix and roll the log around. Place the log in a lightly oiled loaf pan. Cover loosely with lightly greased plastic wrap for a second rise. Let it rest for approximately 1 hour until it is domed about 1 inch above the edge of the loaf pan. Towards the end of the rise, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 177 degrees Celsius. Bake the bread for 30 to 35 minutes or until it is golden brown. The interior temperature should register at least 190 degrees Fahrenheit in the center. It should make a hollow sound when thumped on the bottom. Remove it from the oven, take it out from the pan, and cool it on a rack for at least 1 hour before slicing. Here we go. Enjoy the freshly baked sandwich bread. Please let me know how yours came out. Also, comment below what you would like me to make next. Thank you for watching my video and hope to see you soon. Bye!